sure, buddy. Here you go. But Bip, you're supposed to use that in order to get one of those. Here, let me show you. So you put the coin in here, twist this thing, and then... Did you just swallow it? Okay, chill. Okay. Sorry, buddy, but I got no more coins left. Maybe you could find some around the store. Sometimes people drop coins. Anyways, I'm gonna be developing my photos over here. Don't go too far, alright? Nice, got that done. Where did I leave, Bip? What? Bip? Yeah, I can see that. How did you get so many coins?
What? You guys again?